All right, let's talk about a huge shift happening inside every app you use. It's all about authorization. See, in every app, cloud, and service, there's one question that gets asked over and over. And it all boils down to this: who gets access to what? Answering that question, by 2033, it's going to be an $8.16 billion market. So, why the massive growth? Well, big tech shifts like cloud and zero trust security are forcing everyone to completely rethink authorization. But, this transition isn't easy. A recent study found some pretty major pain points for companies. For example, new ideas like policy as code are catching on, but adoption is, well, it's all over the place. The result? A really messy, fragmented landscape. You've got different teams using different tools for the same problem. You can actually think of the market in 5 distinct tribes, each with its own approach. First up, powerful but complex policy engines. Think OPA. You need serious skills to manage these. Second, developer services. Yeah, they're easy to plug in, but watch out for that vendor lock-in. Third are the big enterprise platforms, but they can be a bit too broad, not granular enough. Fourth, these new dynamic tools. They grant access in real time, but deployment can be a headache. And finally, open source projects. Super flexible, but they often lack that enterprise-grade support. The thing is, all these segments are part of a huge growth wave. Just look at these numbers. So all this fragmentation is pushing the whole industry towards something new, a more integrated approach. And that solution is what people are calling a unified fabric. But what does that actually mean? It's a huge shift from the old, static way to a new, dynamic, just-in-time model. It works in 3 steps. Centralize your policies, add real-time context, and then enforce it everywhere. All right, so why is this such a big deal right now? Because get this, a crazy 70% of all security breaches involve some kind of unauthorized access. A unified platform tackles the biggest challenges head-on, from skills gaps to, huge security risks. And this isn't just about people anymore. The idea of who needs access is getting way bigger. Which leaves us with one last massive question. As AI joins the team, who decides what it can do?